Looks nice and clean, doesn't it? Yeah, nice, beautiful. Ooh, great landscape. But this is just the calm before the storm, because yeah, they put salt, but in the next 36 hours, you're gonna have a ton of freezing rain come by. Yes, at least 24 centimeters of freezing rain. So all this is gonna turn into a skating rink. So unless you got a pair of skates, next 2 days would be a good idea to stay home. Today is Wednesday, January 24th. So get all your chores done today if you got to do something outside, because otherwise you're locked in for a good 2 days, a good 24 to 48 hours. Keep it locked here to Emmanuels Montreal and entertain yourselves for the next 2 days.